selection box process, I'm going to go ahead and apply the 3D view. So there you go. Now you see the whole room. It's kind of boxed in a little bit, but I can easily cut through the wall like that. Yeah, let's say I just want to update to this. So I'm going to press this, and you can see how it just resizes very quickly to exactly what you need. Here's what the calc looks like. The Revit software has now associated this switch with all of these light fixtures, and the switch zone automatically pops up in the tag. You can use the software to keep track of your power density to ensure that you don't go over that in terms of lighting. You can see that you can select the whole cable tray, like it's one system. If you press tab and then click, you can see that it models a duct bank of 4 conduits for you. So you can do something like this and then take this whole view and put it on the drawing. It's pretty awesome. So our panel schedule, we have it set up to intelligently size the circuit based on the load that is on the circuit. It grabs the length based on where it is in the project. It grabs the room number from the spaces that we defined earlier. And if you need to account for voltage drop, this will do it automatically. I'm going to show you how to duplicate this on the next floor super quickly. So that means that you selected the electrical system, and we're going to copy this to the second level. And we're going to click on level 2. Hit OK. Let's go up to level 2. Oh, look at that. It's all here. You could accomplish this next floor within minutes versus, the 20 minutes that it took me to do it earlier. So there you go. I just took an electrical room with a distribution system inside, and I copied it up to the next floor and was able to circuit it all really quickly. In this course, we're going to focus on one primary thing, and that is to increase your effectiveness in using Revit. This will mean that we will try to increase your efficiency by using the smart tools built into Revit, and we'll also cover certain tips such as optimizing your keyboard shortcuts and having the optimal screen layout in order to run like cable tray and conduit effectively. There'll be other tips such as using analytical spaces to help you auto-name loads, parallel conduit tools to get your whole duct bank routed, and a whole plethora of other topics that will help increase your speed as you go through your daily work tasks. At the end of the day, the idea is to speed up your workflow while also being more accurate by using the native tools built into Revit. We're not going to rely on any special plugins, which you could buy, but they cost money and you may not have them as you move from job to job. Sometimes a firm may have a special tool only for a little while and then they don't pay for the licensing, so you don't want to be handicapped by relying too much on a specific plugin. Revit already comes packed with a ton of smart features that you should learn right off the get-go. Then if you need something more specific, you can explore plugins on your own. Hope you're excited. Let's get started. I'll see you in class.